These are the best inline skates or rollerblades for different categories. From beginner-friendly to pros, you're invited. First up, we have the Rollerblade Zetrablade Men's Adult Fitness Inline Skate. These skates are perfect for beginners as they have a comfortable and supportive boot, a secure closure system, and a stable frame that provides good balance and control. They also offer good value for money. However, some users have reported that the closure system could be better. Overall, 8 out of 10. Next up, we have the F.I.T Pro 84 inline skates. These skates are designed for performance and maneuverability, making them a great choice for doing tricks and freestyle skating. They feature a lightweight and responsive frame, a comfortable and flexible boot, and a secure closure system that allows for quick and easy adjustments. One potential downside is that they may not be as durable as some other options. Overall, I would rate these skates an 8 out of 10 because it is a bit pricey. If you're on a budget, we have the Bladerunner Advantage Pro XT inline skates. These skates offer excellent value for their price, providing good quality and performance. They feature a comfortable and supportive boot, a durable frame, and a smooth and stable ride that is suitable for both beginners and more experienced skaters. However, some users have reported that the sizing can be a bit off. Overall, I would rate these skates a 7 out of 10. Moving on, we have the Rollerblade Macroblade 110 3WD Men's Adult Fitness Inline Skate. These skates are designed with comfort and performance in mind, featuring a supportive and breathable boot, a responsive and stable frame, and a smooth and efficient ride. While they are a bit pricier than some other options, their high-quality construction and advanced features make them worth the investment. One potential downside is that they may not be suitable for those with wider feet. Overall, I would rate these skates a 9 out of 10. Lastly, we have the Powerslide Megacruiser Pro 125 inline skates. These skates are at the high end of the price range, but offer advanced safety features and top-of-the-line performance for serious skaters. They have a sturdy and durable carbon fiber shell, a comfortable and customizable liner, and a high-performance wheel and bearing system that delivers speed and control. One potential downside is that they may not be as comfortable for extended periods of use. Overall, I would rate these skates a 9.5 out of 10. Remember, it's important to choose skates that are comfortable, supportive, and suited to your skill level and needs. While there may be some potential downsides to consider, these skates have been chosen based on their overall quality and performance. All links are in the description.